Understanding the word ambassador for IELTS success. Imagine standing before world leaders representing your entire nation. This is the role of an ambassador, a word crucial for those aiming for excellence in English proficiency tests like IELTS. Let's explore this term in depth to enhance your vocabulary and boost your chances of achieving that coveted band score of 8.0. Word type: ambassador is a noun. It's pronounced as bes, with the stress on the second syllable. Meaning, an ambassador is an official envoy, typically a diplomat of the highest rank who represents a state, government, or sovereign in a foreign country. In a broader sense, it can also refer to an authorized representative or messenger in any activity. Word history. The term ambassador has an intriguing etymology. It originated in the 14th century from the Old French word ambassadeur, which in turn came from the Old Italian ambasciator. This can be traced back to the Latin ambactus, meaning servant or vassal. The evolution of this word reflects the changing nature of diplomatic relations throughout history. Antonyms. While there isn't a direct antonym for ambassador, some contrasting terms could include isolationist, hermit, or recluse, as these represent the opposite of the outward-facing, communicative role of an ambassador. Synonyms. To diversify your vocabulary, consider these synonyms: envoy, emissary, diplomat, representative, delegate, and plenipotentiary. Each of these carries subtle nuances, so be sure to use them appropriately in context. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some complex sentence structures that showcase the word ambassador in various contexts. Despite the escalating tensions between the two nations, the ambassador maintained her composure and continued to advocate for peaceful resolution through diplomatic channels. The company's decision to appoint a well-known environmentalist as their sustainability ambassador was met with skepticism by some who questioned whether it was merely a public relations stunt. In an unprecedented move, the ambassador defied his government's instructions, choosing instead to support the UN resolution, thereby risking his career for what he believed was the greater good. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing ambassador with ambassador. The latter is an archaic spelling and should be avoided in modern English. Another error is using ambassador interchangeably with consul. While both are diplomatic roles, consul typically deals with commercial and citizen affairs in a specific city, whereas an ambassador represents the entire country at the highest level. To truly master the use of ambassador in your IELTS responses, remember its formal context in international relations, but also its metaphorical use in phrases like brand ambassador or goodwill ambassador. By incorporating this word and its related vocabulary into your language repertoire, you'll demonstrate the lexical resource and grammatical range necessary for that Band 8.0 score.